Now move on to the osmosis. Osmosis. Osmo is mainly referred to the water. Water. That is, it is the movement of the water, or you call as a solvent, because the universal solvent is the water. Water. So let's define first. It is the movement of movement of solvent. Movement of solvent. That is water. Water from lower from lower from its lower solute concentration, from its lower solute concentration to the higher solute higher solute concentration of the solution or you may exclude there too. Simply remember, this is the movement of solvent water from its lower solute concentration to the higher solute concentration. Please remember, here is the solute concentration, not the concentration of the solvent. This concentration, my dear, concentration will be of this solute, not of the solvent, not of the solvent. So some authorities like also mention that define that the movement of the water or solvent from its higher concentration to the lower concentration, from its higher concentration to the lower concentration. Yes, in understanding understanding language, we can call that where is the higher amount of the water, we call that the higher concentration, and where is the lower, we call as the lower concentration. But this water or solvent has not any concentration. Concentration is of only this solute. So that definition is not so much applicable. So again put here an example. Let's suppose this is compartment and this compartment is separated by semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means this membrane will allow the rapid movement of the waters, rapid movement of the solvent. Okay. So here take example like like let's suppose this is compartment A and this is compartment B, compartment B, and the symbolize this is semi-permeable membrane. Let's suppose semi-permeable membrane, semi-permeable membrane. Now code here, this let's suppose this circle is the sodium, this circle is the sodium, and this is the chloride, this is chloride. Actually this sodium, this sodium and chloride is dissolved in the water, it dissolved in the water. Let's suppose all these are the water molecule. Here in both compartment there is the water, there is the water. So if this is semi-permeable membrane, what I called, this is, all are solution, both A and B are the solution. Is the solution, solution A is the solution of high concentration, high concentration solution, higher concentration solution, because here is the higher solute concentration, higher solute concentration, and this solution is the low solute concentration or lower concentration solution. This is, let's suppose. So according to the definition, the movement of water or solvent will occur from where to where? From compartment B to A, from compartment B to A. This is the direction of movement of the water, H2O, water movement direction. So water. So this so osmosis, water movement will occur from compartment B to compartment B to A, because here is the highest solute concentration, here is the lower solute concentration, lower solute concentration. This so movement, how will movement occur? This these molecules ions will exert pressure, on the wall of this this vessel or compartment, and that pressure will lead to the uh, this movement of water from compartment B to A, and here the volume will increase, and this diffusion, this osmosis will occur until the concentration of the both solution will equalize, this diffusion occur, this osmosis will occur. So this is about the osmosis. Now in osmosis, here I will mention that this arrow you must have heard that reverse osmosis. In general, how the osmosis occurring, movement of water occurring from low concentration, low solute concentration to high solute concentration. But if we apply pressure in that compartment, and this membrane is semi permeable, that is only allowing the this permeability of the diffusion of the water, then if we apply pressure in that compartment, the direction will shift, the movement of the water will direction will shift, because I mentioned earlier that diffusion is not only along the concentration gradient, only mediated by the concentration gradient. There also will be the influence of the pressure and charge. Pressure and charge. If opposite charge there, that will attract. If same charge, that will repel, as well as as same as if here you will apply more pressure in that compartment, that pressure will reverse the direction of this movement, initial direction of this movement, that is initial movement is by the concentration gradient. So by this mechanism, this reverse osmosis is working, because in RO what we are doing, the filtering the water, we are filtering the water and filtering water from uh, like polluted water. Let us suppose polluted water means there will be many ions molecules, and in other compartment where we are intending to move this water, let us suppose here is the less solute concentration or nearly pure water, then this diffusion will opposite direction will occur, this initially this in this direction, but we are reversing the direction by applying the pressure, that is called the reverse osmosis. So this osmosis, and my dear, when we talk about the cellular membrane, this cellular membrane, these membrane are has major component the lipid is the hydrophobic component, though in that lipid there are two part, head is the hydrophilic and tail is the hydrophobic, but this tail will repel the movement of the water, but water movement in cell membrane, through the cell membrane, is very rapid. So how they occur? There are some pores or proteins called as the aquaporins. Aquaporins, there are many, more than 10 types of the aquaporins, like 13 or even more aquaporins can be there. These aquaporins and different type of aquaporins are in different tissues. So through this aquaporin, the movement of the water will occur very rapidly without the influence of this hydrophobic lipid component. So this is your important Viva and MCQ point.